In the past, knives were forged from one single piece of steel. The split piece was heated and forged in the die by a drop forging hammer. However, this technique no longer satisfies modern demands for precision. Modern manufacturing methods have replaced traditional forging methods. A knife made by Zwilling J.A. Henckels passes through up to 40 manufacturing steps. It starts with the raw material, a special formulated steel made to the requirements of Zwilling J.A. Henckels. The revolutionary forging technique employed by Zwilling J.A. Henckels requires a stamped strip of steel. Subsequently, only that part which will become the bolster is heated. The remaining parts, especially the one which will become the blade, are left untouched in their original premium quality as supplied by the steelworks.